It's by SJB, a great friend of mine. Oh, look at that little handsome fella. Louding.
I sure wonder what the four birds are up to.
Oh, they all died.
What? How?
No.
I don't know.
Okay then, why are the eggs gone again?
I have a hat now, I'm so epic. Also, I stole your eggs.
Okay, where's the sling? Why did it just...
Oh, it does that sometimes.
Why?
I don't know.
Okay, gotta go. Anyway, I got the eggs. Wait, where's the eggs?
You blew them off. Lol.
Oh no. Nope, I have the eggs. Oh no!
Guys, I think we need to get out of here. I don't know.
Okay, I'll just slingshot myself.
Oh no, I'm jealous now. I don't know. Okay, we need to get out.
Yeah.
Get on the slingshot and fire up. Just do it.
Okay.
Hey, look, we're safe. What?
To be
Continued. Mildly infuriated birds.
Space Jam.
Space.
Ba-da-bee-doo-ba, ba-da-bee-doo-ba, ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-bee-doo-boo, ba-da-bee-doo, ba-da-bee-da. Wow, I sure love these eggs. Wow, I sure hate these pigs.
Haha, I have all the eggs.
Come on, gang, let's go slingshot ourselves to kill the pigs.
okay.
Lol, I'm so strong and hop.
I'm gonna be on the slingshot now.
Can I be on the slingshot next?
No, John, you can't be on the fucking slingshot.
Aw, man.
Wow. Nice.
I think we got all of the eggs.
Yay.
What?
Lol, it's me, King Piggy, and I have the eggs.
Oh, come on.
Don't worry, guys, I can do this.
Ball, you.
Beep, beep, beep.
I can survive bombs, stupid idiots.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Well, at least I can get on the slingshot now.